we'll guide you through how to restore deleted files in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head to the left-hand side menu and click on the Deleted Files option. This will take you to a page where you can see a list of all the files and folders you've deleted in the last 30 days. Scroll through the list to find the file or folder you want to restore. If you have trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the file by name. When you find the file, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a checkbox appear on the left. Click this checkbox to select the file. After selecting it, go to the top right corner and click on the Restore button. Dropbox will then begin the process of restoring the file to its original location. If you have multiple files or folders to restore, you can select them all at once by clicking the checkboxes next to each item and then clicking Restore. Keep in mind that Dropbox only keeps deleted files for 30 days unless you have a professional or business account, which may offer longer recovery periods. So, it's essential to check and restore any important data as soon as possible. And there you have it. Your files should now be back where they belong. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.